Yellow.
Since the girl is going to be with us for quite some time, I was thinking that you might want to offer her a more comfortable role.
Ooh, look at that. Oops, hold on.
Orange.
Orange. Tan.
Red. Yellow.
Oh, yellow.
Red.
Red. Here, you want to hold it? Red. Come on. 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 Can you stand up? No? Come on. Can you stand up again? No? Where are you going? Ooh. To the book corner. Yay! Should we open that? Can we open it? Let's open it. Ta-da! Let's put a book there because you're going to close it. Let's see if you'll figure that out. Ooh, which one? What does that say? It's Grover with the red balloon. Mm-hmm. Oh man. Come stand up. Come on. Come on. Oh, Xander. Oh, Xander.
It's really big.
Ah! I see it.
I wanted you to get a picture of it.
Okay, I'll take it.
Just kidding.
I wanted to hear him talking to you.
Owie, owie. Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's looking at your book. Read to him. Oh, he's not looking at it.
Okay. Okay. Hey, yes. Ow. Ow. Ow.
You're pulling Alexa's hair.
I'm just kidding. Oh, yeah.
Xander.
Okay.
Xander, no kidding. Be nice. Are those your blocks?
Nope.
Blocks?
Hey, yesterday was really great, you know, doing all the stuff we had.
Come
I
on.
hope last night wasn't too
Come
hot
on.
for you. I felt came over and it was so hot and crowded. I think most of the kids ball. I'm pretty sure no one wanted to hear the band. Let's just pass notes today instead of cutting.
No.
That didn't work out so good, Leo. As I read the note, a thought strikes me. As soon as the quiz is great.
She don't want you to touch her.
She won't let you do it. She's a good girl.
Come on.
Come on.
I just want to see what's on your shirt.
Only. Is that? What's that? Pretty? Come on, kitty. That sound is just so bad. Go get the bird. Look at that bird. You see him?
He's zoning.
He's thinking his foot goes up on one. Where's that bird?
They never let me go out there.
He's like, nice, all in the window.
I acted like I was going to take him outside, right? So I was like, say bye-bye to Tia Diana. Bye-bye, Tia Diana. And he was all... Mom. Oh my God! Let him go, let him go.
He's okay.
Let him go. Okay. I wish wish he was in front of me so when he starts bouncing, I can hold him.
He's okay.
Sorry. No. He's like, no, I'm done.
Ask him. All done?
Ask him,
Alexa,
all done?
shake your hands. Ask him. All done?
Say all done.
All done?
You're just weird.
No. All done?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Come over here and grab him. Pick him up and bring him over here. Oh!
Boo. Boo.
Bookaboo.
You used to be so quiet.
Wait till he starts saying, Alexa! Alexa! Alexa!
Alexa, can I go in your room with you? Alexa, can we play a game?
No!
Alexa, let's play peekaboo.
You need Xander. Oh, I discovered it again.
Look at him.
Yeah, he will.
Writing machine.
He's been climbing. He's been climbing. Whoa.
Good job.
Yay!
Safe with her. It's like,
Safe.
thanks for cracking me up. You have a straight bust her head and he'd be like, safe. All those scooters, death trap.
Oh, yeah.
They'll go right into the wall. Then we went to the science center. She stole the science store and she got caught.
Let her.
So they called her mom, right? And her mom was like, you better not do nothing to her. You better sit down the rest of the day. Don't you do nothing. And she was sitting there looking all scared.